At least 16 people were killed during nationwide anti-government protests in Kenya on Wednesday, most of them allegedly by police forces, according to Amnesty International Kenya. Sanapena mashoko kuda panguva ine chionekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ine maprotest ari kubvira kuKenya as my citizens reject Ruto's controversial tax bill. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timra mnamobuda that the demonstrations marked 1 year since the violent protest of a controversial tax bill culminated in the storming of parliament. Thousands of demonstrators filled the streets across the country, including in the capital Nairobi, to commemorate the anniversary of last year's protest, during which over 60 people lost their lives. Police responded with tear gas and water cannons. Local media and a Reuters witness reported 16 people have been verified dead as of 8:30 a.m., said Irungu Houghton, Executive Director of Amnesty Kenya. In an interview with Reuters, most were killed by police, he added, noting that at least 5 victims had sustained fatal gunshot wounds. Straight to the State House, this viral picture is of a Generation Z protester in Kenya penetrating through a barbed wire yesterday. Youths are protesting against the Wikino Chivayo Edgar Lungu-aligned President William Ruto, who is seen many times engaging in casual meetings with the convicted Zimbabwean fraudster. These are demonstrations without any food. Nyokaima Bunu Orogambabuke characters collecting money. Are you there in Nairobi today? What's happening? Mchona this picture our this Generation Z achi jamba vachinopinda muState House panguva ine vachinodhimanda kuti aiwa taneta naWilliam Ruto corruption yavo panguva ino yanyanyisa. Vanoonekwa kunzi these are allies vana Wikino Chivayo vari kuonekwa kunzi vari kuita corruption kuita kutetena mari dzenyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.